Welcome back to Eye in the Sky Drones, coming back at you with another drone tip on how to get the most out of this guy. Yes, this is the DJI Neo, and I just had a little tip for you. If you're going to fly the Neo, especially without a controller, you're going to want to make sure you have sufficient light. Yes, the tracking features on this don't work well in dim light, don't work at all in dim light. So make sure you're in a well-lit area, preferably daytime with lots of sun, to use this little guy. And yes, I say when you use this, you can fly this without a remote. You can fly it on the go, take off right from the palm of your hand, using some of the modes here on the top. But if you're going to do this, make sure you have good lighting. Let's look at what happens when you try this in dim lighting. And no, it's not dark. It's almost going to get dark outside, but it's dim lighting. So let's take a look and see what happens. So we're going to look and see how to use the Neo without remote. So first of all, we power it on. And then the top button has some of its actions. So let's see here. If we press it once, it tells you what it actually wants to do.
Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track.
So we're going to do direction track. And then you hold on for 2 seconds.
Unable to take off. Finish tutorial in DJI Fly First.
Uh-oh. Let's see if it...
Follow. Droney. Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow. Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh. And it's following me. And it's going to land.
Vision positioning unavailable. Aircraft landed automatically.
And I think
well-lit, textured environments.
And I think that's because it's a little bit dark out. Let's see if it will do a droney.
Droney. 4 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
So it definitely has to be used in lighter settings. Let's try one more last thing.
Circle. Rocket. 4 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
So as you can see, nighttime isn't a good time for the Neo and its features.
Spotlight. Direction track. Follow.
All right, just wanted you to get a glimpse of the Neo and see what happens when you try to fly in dim lighting. Well, signing out for Eye in the Sky Drones, as always, be safe and have fun flying.